with Neeraj Chopra qualifying for the javelin final, which will now be held on the 7th of August. During his qualification round, he registered a throw of a distance of 86.65 meters, among the top in the qualification round, ahead of the world number one as well. Neeraj Chopra has qualified now for the finals, and we are joined by Karishma to bring us the latest updates from Tokyo in this regard. Good morning, Karishma. Good start for India at the Olympic Games today with Neeraj Chopra qualifying for the final, and his colleague Shivpal Singh set to make his throw very soon now.
Oh, well, yes, good morning, Siddharth. It's been a great start for India at the Tokyo Olympics today. Neeraj Chopra, what a qualification final for him, on the top in group standings in Group A and qualifying for the javelin final with a throw of 86.65 meters. And it is a great show from Neeraj Chopra, but remember, this is just the qualification. Nothing is carried forward from here. On the 7th of August, it is going to be a new day, and Neeraj Chopra will have to repeat his performance that he has done in qualification, or in fact do even better than what he has managed now. In fact, Group B, in which Shivpal Singh is placed, has got many record holders in that group. So the final is going to be very tough for Neeraj Chopra. But to start with, this qualification, if anything to go by, is a very positive sign, and like you said, a very encouraging development for India at Tokyo 2020, especially in the field of athletics, where Indian athletes have always found it hard to come out good in Olympics. So a very good start for India at the Olympics, and one's hoping that it is only going to become better as the day passes by, with Lavlina in action, where we can hope that she goes for golden glory and not just settle for bronze in the semi-final match. We have the women's hockey team who are on the cusp of history. If they qualify for the finals, they've already created history, becoming the semi-finalists in Tokyo 2020. But everyone will be praying that they beat Argentina and they go one step further than the men's team and be a finalist at Tokyo 2020 as well. So a very action-packed day today at Tokyo 2020 as far as Indians are concerned, Siddharth.
Karishma, you've been in touch with our athletes at the Tokyo Olympics and Rani Rampal and her teammates ahead of this epic hockey clash later in the day against Argentina. How's the mood in the Indian camp in the build-up to this massive game?
Well, Siddharth, everyone's very excited, but yes, there are nervous players as well, because remember, it's a big stage for the women's team, and it is the first time that they're going to be playing in a semi-final of an Olympics. So it's a huge moment for each and every one of them, and they're relishing this moment, they're cherishing this moment, but they're also all ready to give it their all versus Argentina. Remember, nobody thought that the Indian women's team will beat world number 2 Australia, will be able to defend one goal for 3 quarters. If they've beaten Australia, they can do anything possible, which includes beating Argentina as well. So they are telling themselves that they are motivating each other. The coach is also telling them that we can do this, we can beat Argentina, and that's what the atmosphere and the mood needs to be in the team, because it's a huge stage and a very important moment for Indian women's hockey in the Olympics, Siddharth.